American Airlines closed near a 52-week high today. Oil prices crashed on a U.S.-Iran peace agreement, and that's a direct tailwind for every airline's biggest cost, fuel. We ran the FSR. Here's what a full year of data shows. American Airlines is the world's largest airline by fleet size and revenue passenger miles. Fuel is one of their biggest operating costs, so when oil drops, margins improve fast. Today's peace agreement between the U.S. and Iran sent crude lower, and the entire airline sector moved together. JetBlue was up over 10%, Frontier up nearly 9%. American Airlines also just saw a leadership transition with longtime executive Stephen Johnson retiring. 1 year of daily data, FSR score 79%. Rolling FSR almost 93%. Price started the year near $11, dipped to around $10, and has recovered to $16, right at the yearly average of 13's high end. That recovery from the $10 low to the current $16 high is a clean, structured climb, which the FSR score reflects. Jefferies raised their target from $13 to $15 just 2 days ago, but kept a hold rating. The Analyst average target sits at $15.61. The stock closed right at that level today. One analyst note suggests the stock could be nearly 80% undervalued following the oil price drop, citing the fuel cost relief. That's a wide range of opinions on the same data. Earnings July 23rd. We'll run it again before that report. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.